GetMoreThanGold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical
$10,000 versus gold in 10 years. Which holds value? Imagine you have $10,000 in cash and $10,000 in gold. Fast forward 10 years. What do you think happens? Cash loses value over time due to inflation. Prices go up, and the same $10,000 buys you less and less. But gold? Historically, gold holds its value or even increases. So, while your cash loses purchasing power, your gold keeps growing. If you're thinking long-term, maybe it's time to consider gold for your retirement. Learn how a gold IRA can protect your future and give you peace of mind. Visit the link in the video description or goldforthefuture.com for more details. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.